As a business management student, it is no secret that the transition from a classroom to real business scenarios can be daunting. We spend countless hours studying business management frameworks and concepts. But entering the corporate world often feels like stepping onto a whole new playing field. However, at PIBM, we are fortunate to have a unique advantage, an exceptional corporate interface that bridges the gap between the classroom and the corporate and equips us with the practical knowledge, the confidence and the hands-on skill to hit the ground running.
The MBA and PGDM curriculum at our PIBM is co-designed by industry experts and renowned academicians. This ensures that the knowledge and skills that we gain are directly relevant to what companies and organizations demand from management graduates today. We're not just learning concepts, we're learning how to apply them in real-world situations through an industry co-designed curriculum, over 50 live business projects, dual internship program, industry visits, corporate events, live sessions, guest lectures, workshops, and profile-based training provided by our experience-rich faculty.
Interacting with top business leaders plays a major role in learning through their experiences. Our college hosts multiple corporate events throughout the year, such as Pioneer Convergence, International Conference, She Confluence, CEO Charisma, and many more. These international level corporate events brings together leading figures in today's businesses from companies like Deloitte, Wipro, Infosys, Grant Thornton, Amul, and many more. With the interactive panel discussion and conclaves that takes place throughout the year, we get the opportunity to engage directly with industry leaders from diverse sectors. These events aren't just lecture, they are interactive platform where we engage with industry leaders from across the globe. You might find yourself discussing the latest trends in FMCG with the leaders from Nestle or Coca-Cola at Omnicart, or exploring the future of work with the corporate heads of HUL or Mahindra at a panel discussion. These events are a source of business knowledge and corporate experience. We get to hear from the best, network with future colleagues, and gain a global perspective on the ever-evolving business landscape.
To enhance our practical knowledge, PIBM ensures that we get into more than 50 live business projects. We, the students of PGDM and MBA, go through these live projects of 15 to 20 days duration on various domains and profiles like HR, finance, marketing, operations, and more. Through these live projects, we get to understand the requirements and business problems faced by companies, work on designing a solution for these companies to tackle management problems, and get to implement our solutions in various SMEs and top companies. For example, in sales and marketing, we interact with various channel distributors and channel partners to get a complete understanding of channel dynamics and channel conflict so that we can create channel strategies accordingly. The finance students build financial modules and financial statement analysis for different companies. The HR students, on the other hand, create PMS models and design training programs for different HR departments of companies.
At PIBM, we undergo numerous industry visits to companies from diverse sectors. These industry visits to manufacturing plants, retail stores, companies' headquarters, etc. in and around Pune, where we get to interact with the company's professional and have a first-hand experience of the various departments and functions of an organization. We have visited companies like Mercedes-Benz, Tata Steel, Times of India, Frito-Lay, Haier Appliances, and many more. The main objective of these industrial visits is to accustom us with industrial practice and corporate world. PIBM exposes us to these practical real-life scenarios in companies, thereby increasing our corporate knowledge and sector understanding.
Being a PGDM or MBA student at PIBM is truly like being prepared for the career ahead by immersing in a corporate environment. We are constantly exposed to industry experts, cutting-edge knowledge, and practical skill development. This unmatched corporate interface sets us apart and prepares us to hit the ground running when we enter into the professional world.
So, if you are looking for an MBA or a PGDM program that goes beyond textbooks and prepares you for a successful career in the corporate world, then Pune Institute of Business Management is the place to be.